welcome to Daily Word Dose. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning class. In today's lesson, we will improve 3 things together: vocabulary, speaking practice, and conversation skills. Stay with me until the end and you will learn new words, speak more confidently, and practice real-life dialogues. Let's begin. Part 1. Vocabulary. Today we will learn 15 useful words. For each word, I will explain the meaning, give you 2 sentences, and then you will repeat after me. Word 1. Grateful. Meaning, thankful. Simple sentence, I am grateful for your help. Advanced sentence, she felt grateful for the opportunity to study abroad. Repeat after me, grateful, grateful, grateful. Word 2. Confident. Meaning, sure about yourself. Simple sentence, I feel confident about my exam. Advanced sentence, his confident speech inspired the audience. Repeat, confident, confident, confident. Word 3. Curious. Meaning, wanting to know. Simple sentence, the child is curious about animals. Advanced sentence, she is curious to learn new cultures. Word 4. Polite. Meaning, showing good manners. Simple sentence, he is always polite to teachers. Advanced sentence, being polite makes conversations smoother. Word 5. Honest. Meaning, telling the truth. Simple sentence, she is an honest student. Advanced sentence, honest feedback helps people grow. Word 6. Brave. Meaning, not afraid of danger. Simple sentence, the boy was brave in the dark. Advanced sentence, brave soldiers protect the nation. Word 7. Lazy. Meaning, not wanting to work. Simple sentence, he is lazy on Sundays. Advanced sentence, a lazy attitude can stop success. Word 8. Friendly. Meaning, kind and pleasant. Simple sentence, my neighbor is very friendly. Advanced sentence, a friendly smile makes people feel welcome. Word 9. Creative. Meaning, having new ideas. Simple sentence, she is a creative painter. Advanced sentence, creative thinking solves big problems. Word 10. Patient. Meaning, able to wait calmly. Simple sentence, the teacher is patient with children. Advanced sentence, being patient helps in difficult situations. Word 11. Ambitious. Meaning, wanting to achieve success. Simple sentence, he is ambitious about his career. Advanced sentence, ambitious people set big goals. Word 12. Reliable. Meaning, someone you can trust. Simple sentence, she is a reliable friend. Advanced sentence, reliable workers are valued everywhere. Word 13. Calm. Meaning, relaxed, not worried. Simple sentence, stay calm before the exam. Advanced sentence, a calm mind makes better decisions. Word 14. Hardworking. Meaning, putting in effort. Simple sentence, my father is very hardworking. Advanced sentence, hardworking students achieve success. Word 15. Energetic. Meaning, full of energy. Simple sentence, children are always energetic. Advanced sentence, an energetic speaker attracts attention. Great work! You have just learned 15 powerful words. Remember, listen, repeat, and use them daily. Part 2. Speaking practice. Now let's practice speaking. I will give you 2 topics. First, listen to my example. Then repeat and try to say it in your own words. Topic 1. My daily routine. Simple version, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower and eat breakfast. Then I go to school. Advanced version. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. After brushing my teeth and taking a shower, I eat breakfast. Then I get ready and go to school with energy. Now it is your turn. Pause if you need time and speak aloud about your daily routine. Topic 2. My hobby. Simple version. My hobby is reading books. I read every evening. Advanced version. Reading books improves my knowledge and vocabulary. I especially enjoy novels and biographies. Now, your turn. Speak about your hobby. Part 3. Conversation practice. Now let's practice real conversations. I will act out dialogues. First, listen. Then repeat after me. You can also practice with a friend. Dialogue 1 at school. A. Hi, I am grateful you helped me with homework. B. No problem. I feel confident after studying with you. A. You are very friendly and honest. B. Thanks. You are really creative with ideas. Dialogue 2 at the market. A. Hello. Can you suggest something for breakfast? B. Sure. These fruits are very fresh. A. Thank you. You are very polite and reliable. B. My pleasure. Have a calm and happy day. Dialogue 3. Meeting a new friend. A. Hi, what is your name? B. I am Raj. Nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too. You look very energetic. B. Thanks. I am also very ambitious about my future. A. That is great. I am a hard-working student, so we can study together. B. Perfect. Let's be good friends. Well done. By practicing these dialogues, you can use new words naturally in conversation. Conclusion. Let's quickly review what we learned today. We studied 15 new vocabulary words, practiced 2 speaking topics, and went through 3 conversations for daily life. Your homework is: first, use 5 of today's words in your own sentences. Second, record yourself speaking about your daily routine. Third, practice 1 dialogue with a friend or family member. If you do this daily, your vocabulary, speaking, and conversation skills will improve step by step. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.